everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a simple text animation in CapCut. Let's use this video as the background. To start, drag it into the timeline. Then, go to the Text tab and add the default text to the timeline. Adjust the duration to 5 seconds. Input the desired text and customize the text style. Next, add a transform keyframe at the beginning of the text clip. Move the playhead to the 5-second mark. Add a transform keyframe. On the preview screen, move the text downwards to slide it off the screen. Return to the position of the first keyframe. Adjust the scale to 20%. If the animation is to slow move the second keyframe to the left to shorten the distance between the two keyframes. Next, proceed to the animation section and apply a fade in animation. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.